Hope we get back in enough time to watch my favorite show. Tatterical kills me. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I wonder what's going on.
Oh, it sounds like it's coming from the Hendersons. Hey, Henderson. Oh, hey, neighbor. Get you a new trampoline, did you? Yeah, my wife wanted him to have it. It's pretty nice, but that cost you a pretty penny.
It's top of the line. And you know, if you could ever do something with those junk vehicles in your driveway, you might have something fun for your kids too. It's date night. We gotta go.
What are you doing, Dad?
Oh, Corella gave me an idea.
Who?
You know, the neighbor lady.
I thought her name was Isabella.
Whatever. Hey kids, I've got a surprise for you.
Woohoo! This is great! Best dad ever!
What's up everybody? Welcome to today's 30,000 subscriber celebration video. I want to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to the channel, followed my videos, and become a part of the Daninator. Today's video is being brought to you by Branded Bills. I want to thank Branded Bills for sponsoring this video, giving us a coupon code, and supplying me with a really cool Midnight Eagle classic snapback hat. If you're a hat lover like me, you're going to love the selection and variety that Branded Bills offers. I also want to thank Branded Bills for supplying me with 2 extra hats to give away to the Daninator. First, we got the Old Glory Rogue Flex Fit Snapback Trucker hat. It's in black. We've also got the Midnight Glory Classic Snapback hat in charcoal gray. Along with these hats, I'm also going to be giving away 2 t-shirts from the Daninator merchandise store. I've got a variety of fun shirts in my merch store to choose from, and I'll be giving away 2 of my shirts to 2 lucky winners. Alright, so how do you have a chance to win? First, you got to be a Daninator subscriber, and then head over to my Instagram account at DaninatorYT and caption this photo. Alright, we'll be selecting the 4 best captions to that picture, and we'll give away a prize to each winner. Winners will be notified through Messenger on Instagram. Again, special thanks to Branded Bills for sponsoring the video and giving me 2 hats to give away, and I'm also excited to give away 2 t-shirts from the merch store, so best of luck to all you contestants. Alright, with that out of the way, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so today's challenge, I'm going to try to bounce this parts Trailblazer off the ground. If you're a follower on my Instagram, you saw this post I did recently, where I took the rear shock absorbers off the back of this parts Trailblazer and I bounced on it and made a redneck trampoline. So that's the challenge for today. Can we bounce this Trailblazer and get the wheels to come off the ground? About to find out. Let's get to it. Alright, just to show you what I've done, I've removed the rear shocks on both sides. The only thing basically still on this thing are the springs. So this Trailblazer's got an awful lot of bounce to it. I'll demonstrate. I'm barely pushing on that. So we've got quite a bit of bounce. So I'm going to climb up. I'm going to see if we can't get these rear wheels to come off the ground. All right, here goes nothing. All right, can we get this thing off the ground? That's about all I can handle. This old fat boy's out of shape. That's about all I can handle. All right, this video is gonna wear me out. Doing it for the fans. Okay, take two. I'm gonna get a little closer to the wheel on this side, maybe a little more on the back. And I might have to put a bunch of air in the tires. We'll see, but I'm gonna try it again. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay. I think I'm gonna put a bunch of air in the tires. Come over here, check this one out. That one's flat.
Oh yeah.
So all right. I'm gonna load these up full of air, like overinflate them, and I want to get that far off the ground. All right, got both tires aired up now. It's about 50 pounds. You can see where that flat tire was sitting. Kind of neat. All right, so we're aired up. Let's give it another try. All right. Got the rear tires pumped up to about 50 pounds of pressure. All right, take 3. Here we go. Okay, so upon viewing the GoPro footage, we got the rear tire to come off just a smidge because you can see the tire rotate a little bit. So we did technically get it off the ground. I was hoping to get it off the ground by like that much. So I'm gonna try one more thing. And I was just talking to Aaron here. I think the fact that we're on gravel is not helping. So it is what it is. So I'm going to use this as a lever point. I'm going to get out from behind the, get out from being on top of the truck here and get back here. Maybe I can get more downforce being on this side of the tires and get this thing to jump. All right, take 5, I think. Give this a whirl. My wife told me, don't hurt yourself. And I said, come on. Who do you think I am? Nearly hurt myself. Okay. It's a lot harder to hang on. All right, try it again. Okay, so we're back at this. You can see that I've moved the Trailblazer onto my concrete patio. I got to thinking about this and my brain got all sciencey. I'm figuring that with the front suspension bouncing up and down just like this clip right here. All that motion with the front suspension was killing the ability to really bounce the rear end up and off the ground. So what I've done is, you can see I've got some center blocks underneath the front of the truck. You can see the front tire is just slightly off the ground. And the reason I put center blocks under here was I am negating the suspension travel. So I've got center blocks in a couple different areas. I've already kind of jumped on this a little bit already, just lightly, and I think it'll hold. Alright, so in theory this should work a little bit better like a lever. Instead of having the truck kind of bouncing in a waveform like that, isolating the front on blocks should just keep the bounce mostly in the back, and hopefully we'll get a little bit better spring action in the back and finally get these tires up off the ground more than just like that much. So let's hop to it. See what I did there? Alright, this is for all the marbles. One final attempt. There goes nothing. Whew, that wears me out. Well, I looked at some of the footage. Well, anyway, I got it to come off the ground just a little bit, so I consider that a success. But it didn't bounce near as high as I wanted it to. But oh well. Well, anyway, don't forget the caption contest. Be a subscriber of the channel. Head over to my Instagram at DaninatorYT and give the Instagram a follow. Caption the photo and you're automatically entered for a chance to win a hat from Brandon Bills or a Daninator t-shirt. So anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time. Enjoy this outro as I take my Silverado up to the field, open it up full throttle, enjoy the music. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. This old fat boy's out of shape.